Perfect. Actually, no, maybe carpet's not the best idea, but whatever. It's fine. It started to overfill, so we're just gonna pour that extra bit out. Did I just spill something? Seriously? Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I just applied some baking soda, because that's a thing that can remove stains, apparently. Obviously, not completely gone, but I can use baking soda and vinegar. This time it'll work. It's actually a lot better. I think it's going to take another application. Maybe don't leave it as long as I did, because it starts getting a little moldy. Well, it looks like instead of a stain, I got mold. You may notice it's white, but that's only because I sprayed a mix of vinegar and baking soda at it. It's interesting that it's more white on the outside than the inside. And you'll notice that this is on the carpet. Hopefully I don't repeat my mistake of spilling it everywhere. This is gonna take a while. Hold up. Okay, first bottle. Sure, that'll keep it in place. Oh no! Cool, that doesn't want to come out. Let's make the same mistake again. I wasn't paying attention that much, and now I have to deal with it. So I got the bottle out of here. Another reason why glass is superior to plastic. I'm so upset. Oh, it's still dripping. So the first step in cleaning up wine spill on a carpet is, it might be better to just not spill wine on the carpet because it's notoriously hard to get out, but you want to dry off as much as you can, and this should be done sooner than later. I guess I should check if my attempt of fixing this even worked to begin with. That stayed gray. I kind of realized it might have been a better idea to wash it out with water first to minimize the amount of wine that's in there, but I do not listen to my instincts. I'm gonna start using my brain more and not just hoping everything's gonna work out, because obviously it doesn't, and I'm sad. But anyway, let's have a celebratory glass of wine. Whew. These stains are still here, but they're actually a lot better than they were before. So I'm pretty happy with it. What I'm going to do is just do this spraying. I think the spraying is better than just pouring it all directly on, because there's less liquid content. So it's not going to soak through and maybe stay wet too long or mold grows. What I think it does is it somehow attaches to whatever particulates are causing it to have that color. And then it's like lifting itself out, which I think is purely magical. But they are looking a lot better, so you can't say it's not doing anything. It's been longer than I want to admit, and the carpet is in a worse condition than it was ever before. This is where I spilled eggs. This is all baking soda, and this was a poor attempt to soak up everything. So, let's see if this carpet's worth saving. I'm starting to think it'll never be as good as it was. The carpet is still very much stained, but on the upside, there's no red stains. I just accumulated a lot of other stains in that time. I want to make some real progress today. But first step, I am going to vacuum it. It looks slightly better, yeah, but looking at all the stains kind of hurts my soul a little bit. It might be actually a good idea to use carpet cleaner, but on account of me not having that, let's work with what I got. What I do have though is laundry detergent. It could work. I don't know how much to put in here, but might as well like super saturate it, right? Just gonna stir that together. And then for good measure, let's add some baking soda. You know, the way I see it, there's not a very high chance of me making the carpet even worse than it is. God, please don't make me take back those words. Just gonna pour that into the spray bottle. Then I'm just gonna give it a nice little shake. First step, just spray all over. Is this too thick to spray? This stuff kind of sticks to my hands, so I think putting on some gloves would be in order. Oh, it's actually not spraying still. Got this dish one. This I can just squirt it out like that, and I was gonna need to use a brush anyway, so let's see how this works out. Okay, I wanna go back to the spray bottle plan. I'm gonna let it dry off a bit. Oh, also, the fumes are quite bad. I would recommend cracking open a window, okay? It's time to finish this. These stains, they shall not win. You don't get my plan here. You're gonna mix the detergents liquid in here and just, water the carpet. And then I can scrub with ample liquid. Just got my special prepared liquid. This time it's serious, okay? Okay. This is... I need way more liquid. Okay, now. It's not the best idea to get it all wet, because, I'm just gonna be sitting and lying down in this wetness, but I should have just followed that. No. I'm gonna let it soak in for, let's say 15 minutes. Why am I out of breath? Should probably wash my knees. I'm just gonna try to wash it out in my shower. I don't want to get out in nature and outside and such. I mean, I know it would soak through. It's probably better just to use carpet cleaner. Now it can dry. Honestly, if it's warm outside, just dry this outside. I used way too much water. Oh, and if it doesn't turn out how I want it to, I'm done. I'm just done. I can't do anymore. It is time for the great unveiling of the carpet. That if it's not completely clean, I'll just accept it. Oh, that looks terrible. Oh, that almost looks worse. I thought I'd be done. Oh, wow. The carpet's ruined. The carpet's... I'm done. Oh. Alright, I haven't given up. I try to wash it out in my shower, but showers are terrible. Only because I was limited on space. So, let's get this soaking. Let's get to it. It's now part 2 of the great unveiling. Probably not so great anymore. You know what? Thought it was worse than it is. It seems like this stain is barely here anymore. I did end up finding out that I used detergent with bleach. There was a little voice in my head before I used it. It was like, oh, what if it has bleach? Because it was detergent for white clothes. My whole plan was to get rid of the stains, and then I guess I ended up doing too good of a job. But honestly, it doesn't look that terrible. Like, maybe around the edges, it's worse, because those are the parts I didn't bleach. Overall, I'm done. I'm gonna have some wine, I think, to celebrate. Thank you for coming with me on this journey. Okay, bye!